What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and today is our second to last day of the Hawaii trip. Last night was a bit crazy. I ordered one drink, and I don't really drink like that, but they put something in there. I'm gonna play some clips that David got from his channel.
Ow!
Oh, sorry,
Sunburn.
I forgot. Yep, sunburn.
I'm gonna give you a copyright strike if you do.
Go ahead, do it. They know how much we make.
Oh, this looks so good. I'm so excited to eat this. Did you get that? I think I did. Yo, Alex is kind of faded right now.
I've never been this faded before. Like, I don't even drink like that. It's crazy.
I don't know how faded I am, so we're gonna walk on this straight line. It kind of looks curved to me. I don't know why. So. Good, bro.
Alright, now recite the alphabet backwards.
ZYXWVUT
Whoa, you look really red. And it's not even because of the sunburn.
Oh my god, I look like a tomato.
Wait, dude, I just realized I can't drive. You have to drive.
Ain't no way I'm driving. We're walking back.
I don't have my license.
We'll risk
And I have 6 DUIs.
I will have a DUI if I drive, so you drive. Thanks.
Can we drive with the light on?
For what?
Why are you
pulled over?
Are you mad?
Too much attention.
Thank you guys so much for watching that video.
Okay, while we wait for the elevators, I don't think I updated you guys on how we got here and the problems and everything that happened on our departing flight from San Jose. Basically, we were supposed to leave at, I think it was 7 a.m., maybe 8 a.m., something like that. Early in the morning. We got to the airport around 5 or 6. And what happened was we got on the plane and they said, yo, something's wrong with the engine. Something needs to be fixed. So we were sitting in the airplane for maybe about an hour or so, and they did a couple test things and they were like, all right, it ain't fixed yet. So everybody had to get off. Everybody was pissed because, you know, you're going to vacation, you're excited and everything, you got your kids on the plane, and then now they're telling you we can't fly out and we don't know what's wrong with the plane. So after that, they were like, this fix is gonna take about 3 hours. That's when everybody was extra pissed. And then on top of that, after waiting for a little bit longer, they were like, it's like regulations for our crew to have at least like 9 hours of rest time. So the earliest that we could get you guys on this flight is at 6 p.m. Almost 12 hours after the time that we were originally supposed to leave. So everyone was like, yo, everyone was pissed. And the only flights that were going out to the area that we needed to go to, they were at SFO, which is about an hour from us. Hopped on an Uber, got on a plane at like 4 p.m. and then we got here at 9 p.m. So we literally lost the entire day just because of that problem with our plane. But regardless, we're out here. Just a little, just a little backstory on what happened. That was a huge L, but now we're here. I just try to make light of the subject because, you know, I can't really do anything. That's out of my control. So what I did was like, I tagged Hawaiian Airlines. I was like, yo, you guys made me miss my son's birthday party. And y'all were laughing, and I made all these crazy story posts. I'll throw them on the screen. And then to end that off, yesterday we did a photo shoot, and I was like, you know what? Let me just continue the story. So we had to close the story up. Met my son at the beach and all that. You know, it took a little family photo and just let you guys know that we were all good. So that was it. Quick little story time. But we're gonna get the day started with some breakfast. I'm gonna get some acai bowls real quick, and then probably do a hike later, and then see what's up for the rest of the day. So let's go. Aloha! Welcome to another adventure in El Jungle. We're with David Got Kicks. We're with David Got Kicks' wife. And I'm showing them the jungle. Oh, look at this. I'm hoping that it rains this hike just because I want to give them the full like Hawaii hike experience. And if it doesn't rain, it's not really like rainforesty, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully it rains. This is Manoa Falls.
You're gonna see a lot of this for today's vlog. But yeah, let's go. Okay, I don't want to vlog anymore. Stupid.
This is a Oahu hakama tree. And then these right here. This one is... Dude.
What? What?
That's poison ivy, dude.
No. Oh! Do you see that?
Is it itchy?
Kind of.
Are you okay?
That's really gross. Let's turn around.
That was stupid. Look at that. Quick little chair, little arch action, okay.
Oh, I'll show you arch action.
Yeah? You want to show us arch action?
Nah, later.
There's a bamboo forest over here. So naturey. I wish it rained though. Not raining yet. It would feel really good. But we're almost at the falls. Just a little bit more of a hike and then we'll be there. I think it's gonna be dry because it hasn't rained, but we'll see. All right, y'all, we made it. As you can see, here's the waterfall. Not too much water because it hasn't really rained, but still pretty cool. Yo! Yo, that was hella loud.
You like that?
Yeah, it was kind of hot. Yo, Edgy. Dude, if this thing fell. All right, after that nice hike, we got a fresh coconut, and then David got a pineapple smoothie.
Stop.
What? Wait, what happened to your pineapple smoothie?
I ordered it. I thought it was gonna look like that, but I got this.
I'm sorry, buddy. Actually, don't give a All right, quick update. We leave in one more day, so we had to get this real quick at Foodland. Got some Masubi, and then we're gonna walk around the mall. Now we are in Nordstrom. Check this out, the Bentley stroller with the diamond stitch. We're gonna play guess that price.
Honestly, I would say like 1,300.
Okay, she says 1,300. David, what do you say?
15.
I'm going for like 4,000. And the final price.
500.
What? 500?
That's it. I'm getting one.
Wow, this is a steal. Why are we in the baby section, guys? I'm just curious. Like, we've been here for a little bit too long.
Don't even put this on me. Alex was like, "Let's walk in here.
I didn't say let's walk in here. I came.
Your kid,
I came.
Like 4.
I came down this way.
How would I look as a dad though? Like,
all right, let's just see. Let's just see.
can you help me look for diapers? Wait, he's crying. Are you okay? Stop crying.
Oh my gosh.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, no.
How do I look as a dilf?
Bro, these strollers are kind of fire. You can skate. You can skate and push your kid at the same time.
This also turns around.
What do you mean it turns
No.
around?
No, this.
This is for
This
your
turned
kid
around.
to skate.
Huh? I don't know when the last time I vlogged was, but it's nighttime now and your boy is fully dripped out in his Hawaii attire. We're gonna go get dinner now. We're gonna walk the strip and try finding something. So we're walking around trying to kill some time. We got dinner reservations. We're walking through the hotel and look at this. This is all sand. Can you guys believe that? Freaking sand sculpture. So detailed. I'm surprised nobody touched it. I'm even resisting the urge to touch it right now, but I'm respectful. I'm not gonna touch it. But it's double-sided. That's crazy. What the heck? During Christmas time, they got like Hawaiian Santa and all this stuff. But this is just one of them. This is just Hawaiian Snoopy. Got some hamachi, I think. Hamachi, I tried something new. We got a sushi roll right here. More sushi rolls. And good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. We're starting today's vlog off where?
At the
Balsamic.
Botanical Garden.
Balsamic. Okay, we're at a botanical garden doing some wholesome content today. Oh, yo, that's lit. Dude,
Yep.
Bro, I want a picture of that. No,
Behind the scenes.
Don't move.
So it's going, it's going, it's going.
Don't move. Don't move, bruv. Where's he going?
Oh, he's going in there now.
Nope. Dude.
You can't just assume his gender, dude. You need to ask for his pronouns.
You think it's a they, them? Oh, dude. Call him back up. No, you. They said it. Anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna show you where the ancient Hawaiians used to freak. So we are about to take a look at the Hale Mua, which is a men's eating house. MTV Cribs, commence.
Dude, this was a this used to be a mansion, believe it or not.
Yeah.
This is a mansion today.
Are there people in there?
That's kind of cool. I feel like I'm watching those people on YouTube
Oh, I forget the names.
that just build stuff. This reminds me of it. This is really cool though.
This is kind of cozy.
Like when you think about it, it's like, well, I mean, this is like just for display, but this is actually really cool.
Shaka bra.
Oh, that's
Would you
nice.
guys live in this? I think, dude, it would be kind of sick. You get your fire right there. You could cook. You could eat. That's it. That's all you can do.
Are you kidding me? There's no AC in here.
Where's the fridge?
We need more of that. Wait. You're telling me the pilgrims really didn't build this? This is all man-made?
Wow, those trees are beautiful. Even those ones too. Yo, hey. What are you doing, dude?
I'm just kidding. I don't need hot Cheetos. And littering is bad. Littering is very bad. Don't do it, ever. If we ever see you doing this, just don't do it. You don't want to know. Don't litter.
Okay.
Did you cut it?
Yeah, I'm not recording. All right, we made it to the waterfall. The waterfall is barely a waterfall right now, and we cannot swim in this, but yeah, we made it. Just a little dry today.